When it comes to simplifying your makeup routine, choosing between a BB cream and a tinted moisturizer can be confusing. Both products provide light coverage and skincare benefits, but they are not the same. In this video, we're breaking down the key differences between BB cream and tinted moisturizer to help you decide which one is the best fit for your skin and beauty needs. If you're looking for a product that suits your everyday look or want something for special occasions, stay tuned. Coverage and finish. One of the biggest differences between BB cream and tinted moisturizer is the coverage and finish they offer. BB cream, which stands for Beauty Balm or Blemish Balm, is designed to provide more coverage than a tinted moisturizer. It often works as a foundation substitute, offering a medium level of coverage that can even out skin tone, cover minor blemishes, and leave a smooth, slightly dewy finish. Many BB creams also have built-in SPF and other skincare benefits, making them a versatile option for those who want a polished look with minimal effort. Tinted moisturizers, on the other hand, are all about hydration with a hint of color. They offer a sheer, lightweight finish that enhances your natural skin tone rather than masking it. If you have clear skin and prefer a barely there makeup look, tinted moisturizers are an ideal choice. They won't cover major imperfections but will give you a fresh, radiant glow. Unlike BB creams, their primary purpose is to hydrate the skin while providing a subtle tint.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Skincare benefits. Another important distinction between BB creams and tinted moisturizers lies in their skincare benefits. BB creams are multifunctional, often acting as the primer, foundation, and skincare treatment in one. They typically contain ingredients that target specific skincare concerns like acne, fine lines, or uneven skin tone. Many BB creams are infused with antioxidants, SPF, and anti-aging components, making them a great option for those who want their makeup to work double duty as skincare. In contrast, tinted moisturizers are focused more on hydration. They are often packed with moisturizing ingredients like hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, or glycerine, which keep the skin feeling soft and supple throughout the day. While some tinted moisturizers may include SPF, their skincare benefits are usually limited to hydration and sun protection. They are ideal for those with dry or combination skin looking to boost moisture levels while achieving a light, natural look. Skin type and sustainability. Choosing between BB cream and tinted moisturizer also depends on your skin type and personal preferences. BB creams tend to be more suited for people with normal to oily skin, as their formula can help control shine while offering decent coverage. However, many BB creams are available in hydrating formulas as well, making them suitable for those with dry or combination skin. Tinted moisturizers, on the other hand, are a go-to dry or sensitive skin types. Their hydrating properties can soothe and nourish the skin without clogging pores or feeling heavy. If you have normal skin but prefer a lightweight, no makeup look, a tinted moisturizer will also serve you well. When it comes to application, BB creams can be applied with a brush, sponge, or even your fingers, depending on the level of coverage you want to achieve. Since BB creams offer medium coverage, they tend to last longer throughout the day compared to tinted moisturizers, making them a good choice if you need your makeup to stay put for hours. Tinted moisturizers are best applied with your fingers for a natural blended finish. They're perfect for a quick, fuss-free application but don't last as long as BB creams due to their lighter texture. Reapplication might be necessary throughout the day, especially in warmer weather or if you have oily skin. Both BB creams and tinted moisturizers have their unique advantages, and the right choice comes down to your skin type, lifestyle, and the level of coverage you desire. Whether you prioritize hydration, coverage, or skincare benefits, Understanding the key differences between these two products can help you make an informed decision. Now that you know the basics, which one will you choose for your beauty routine?